growing is okra. You see it flowers first and then these beautiful okras come out. You see this one. I think this is ready to be harvested, as well as this one too. And there's some more coming up. It flowers first and then I get okra right here too. And then over here I have ginger. Never knew ginger grew like this. And I have garlic. This I probably planted like September. This was last month, end of October to be exact. This is basil that's been growing. Over here I have spinach. That was the end of October. The end of October I have lettuce, Swiss chard, and I just planted peppers in these. That was just a couple of days ago. These are carrots. Hopefully as they get bigger, I'll transplant them to the bed. I think I have peppers coming up on this one. I have to plant this. I had herbs in these, but they didn't grow. These are green onions, I think. This is my flower, struggling. But it bloomed and they just died. I have more pots I need to plant more stuff in. This is to keep mosquitoes away, but to me it didn't really do anything. I have some more garlic here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think that's peppers in between them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I didn't realize I put them so close. This is kale. I feel like this kale is struggling a little bit. I don't know what to do about it either. This is the tomato. Kind of struggling a little bit. I'm just hanging on to it. And this is cucumber. It's just climbing up this. Is that what you call it? Trolley? Yeah. And yeah, that's my little backyard garden. Planted some peppers a couple of days ago, November 11th. And I have this pepper. You see it? There's one on there. It looks like there's more coming. I had the squash. It's struggling a little bit. You see, it looks like something wants to come. But we'll see if it comes. I'm gonna take this off. Is that how you take it? I'm gonna cut it. It looks like it's ready. And then I'm gonna take this one off too. Oh crap. I think I cut something else. And I got 2. They look good to me. There's still some more coming up. There's a 3rd one here. And I'm gonna give this one another couple of days or something.